Good morning, everyone. Chief Meteorologist Matt-Holiner. Well, yesterday certainly was a nice one across Iowa. Today, not quite as nice, but not a bad day. However, tomorrow, wet, colder for everyone. Yeah, tomorrow, not so pleasant. But let's talk about today first before we get to tomorrow. And we're going to start talking about our rain chances for today. Now, 8 a.m. this morning for that morning commute. Isolated showers are possible anywhere from Waterloo, Mason City over to Sioux City. But if you're in Des Moines, Quad Cities are going to be dry 8 a.m. this morning. And really, it's going to be a struggle for the rain to push to the south and east. Let's jump ahead in time here as we get to the lunchtime hour. You're going to notice this afternoon, no matter where you are in the state, it's going to be a windy day. Gusts 30, 35 miles per hour. Notice the rain mainly in kind of the same place. Maybe a little bit better chance of rain as we get into the afternoon around the Sioux City area. But still looking like just isolated showers. We call it scattered activity around Sioux City, but just isolated activity. Mason City, Waterloo, Des Moines still dry. Quad City still dry. 5 o'clock, the homebound commute. Notice that it is still dry in the Quad Cities. Maybe the opportunity for some sprinkles around Des Moines, but again, the rain mainly limited from Mason City on over to Sioux City. So let's jump ahead a little bit farther in time. And we're going to see the rain finally start to expand. For the Quad Cities, it may not be until about 1 a.m. tonight that the rain actually begins, finally filling in across the state. Notice the intensity of the rain picking up around the Sioux City area as well. So this brings us to the morning commute tomorrow. And no matter where you are in the state, there's going to be some rain coming down, and that's going to slow things down. One other thing I want to mention, though for most states it's going to be all rain tomorrow morning, do you think it's possible that a few flakes of snow can mix in around Sioux City, at least during the early morning tomorrow? I think those temperatures will be just cold enough, right on the edge, where it'll be a rain-snow mix. But probably just for the early morning hours, because our temperatures are going to warm some in the afternoon tomorrow, and that'll probably mean it'll go back to just all rain. And notice it's all rain lunchtime tomorrow. Windy again tomorrow, but temperatures a little bit colder, so there's going to be a wind chill factor tomorrow. I think average gusts across the state 35 miles per hour with rain coming down. Not too pleasant. And as we go ahead to 5 o'clock homebound commute time, the intensity of the rain going down a little bit, but still a good chance that you're going to encounter some light rain in the central and eastern part of the state in particular. Maybe starting to see some breaks pop up around the Sioux City area. So let's track those temperatures now, today, tonight, and tomorrow. And you're going to see a little bit of variation today. Notice that it's going to be a high of 72 in Davenport, 74 in Iowa City. But as you go out to the west, not quite as warm. 63 in Sioux City, 57 in Sioux Falls. That's a cold front coming in. But these temperatures are all still above normal for this time of year. It's not too bad, right? Well, let's take a look at tonight's temperatures, where we're going to start to see that cold front edging its way to the east. So 34 for our low in Sioux City, 44 in Fort Dodge, 45 Mason City, 47 Waterloo, 49 around the Quad Cities. But now let's talk about high temperatures for Tuesday, because everybody is colder. Still some variation, though, but a big change in temperatures, particularly for the eastern part of the state, where we're going to see those highs in the low 70s today. Instead, for the Quad Cities, around 56 tomorrow, 53 in Waterloo, 47 Mason City, and tomorrow's high in Sioux City, just 45 degrees. And remember, it's going to be windy, so it's going to be feeling even colder than this.